I think the number one thing when I was really thinking about this in my head that supports personalized learning is autonomy. And so when you give teachers the freedom to be creative with curriculum and standards and projects, they come to life. And so when teachers are kind of following this passion and bringing curriculum to life, that it's not this boring page turner, that it's not this is what we have to do, but here is the standard, and you can have the freedom to get there in whatever way makes sense to you, as long as it's rigorous and data driven and you've got a pulse on if the kids are growing in the right direction, then get there however you wish. And I think giving that freedom and autonomy to teachers, you know, teaching is a balance of science and art, right? So you build systems and structures and platforms for teachers to meet specific measures that are attainable and they can see success, but you give them the creativity to get there, they flourish. And I think that's really been the power behind personalized learning in our building, is that autonomy to like grow and explore personalized learning in whatever that means to them.
I think the supports necessary involve the whole, like a big team of people. So I think leadership, when we're aligned to the PL model and also our Asbury vision, and demonstrating, I think, how it's okay to try new things, then teachers can really run with that. I feel like oftentimes teachers need permission or are waiting for permission to do something different. And so I think just being, like working alongside them and in collaboration with them, and not just the PL coordinator, but also our principal and our ILT team and our STLs.
It takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of people. I think there's a lot of behind the scenes work between myself and our personalized learning coach, Desi, our kindergarten teacher who runs Ruler, which is a social emotional program, our MTSS team, our psychologist. Everyone sort of looks at what systems and structures meet the needs of children that involve planning, data, observation and feedback, and we use the driver model to sort of support these systems and structures. And then once we come up with these outcomes and we come up with sort of the milestones of success and we slowly inch towards them, then we're allowed to see success and we're able to see kids grow. But it takes a team of people to sort of decide what works and what doesn't. And I think this year more than ever, with the PDSA cycles, it's been about, let's try this. Let's see if it works. Are kids responsive to Seesaw? Are they engaged in it? What's going well with it and what's not? And I think a lot of that has to, come from the philosophy of failing forward. We try things, we mess them up, we try them again, we mess them up again, we go back to the drawing board. But that freedom to fail forward has been really powerful for our team as far as like building systems and structures that we can rely on.